Three-digit positive integers such as 789 and 998 use no digits other than 7, 8, and 9. In total, how many three-digit positive integers use no digits other than 7, 8, and 9? So you have three options for three spots. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Question number 12. If cosine of 60 is equal to cosine of 45 times cosine of theta, with theta being between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, then theta equals what? Here you have to kind of remember special triangles. So cosine of 60 is equal to 1/2, which is equal to the cosine of 45, which is 1 over root 2, times cosine of theta. This is going to have to also be 1 over root 2, so that these two multiply to equal 1/2. So theta must also be 45 degrees. At the end of the year 2000, Steve had $100 and Wayne had $10,000. At the end of each following year, Steve had twice as much money as he did at the end of the previous year, and Wayne had half as much money as he did at the end of the previous year. At the end of which year did Steve had more money than Wayne for the first time? Steve's money doubles each year, so that's going to go to 200, 400, 800, 1600, 3200. Saying hundreds like an American. Wayne's money is going to divide by 2 every year. 5,000, 2,500, 1,250, 625. This is the year where Steve's number is higher than Wayne's number. So the answer is 2004. Question 14. In the diagram, PQRS is a square and M is the midpoint of PS. So we want to know what proportion this area is to the rest of the square. Let's label this side A. So this side is also going to be A. The area of this triangle is going to be base times height. Let's put this on its side. This is the base, and the height is going to be 2A. Well, what about this triangle here? This triangle has the same exact base and the same exact height. So these two triangles have the same exact area. So this triangle is half the area of this half, meaning it's a quarter of the full square. A music test included 50 multiple choice questions. Zoltan's score was calculated by adding 4 points for each correct answer, subtracting 1 point for each incorrect answer, and adding 0 points for each unanswered question. Zoltan answered 45 out of 50 questions, and his score was 135 points. The number of questions that Zoltan answered incorrectly is what? The number of questions he answered incorrectly, let's say, is X. 45 minus X is the number he answered correctly. That number times 4 is going to be his score, plus -1 times the number of questions he answered incorrectly. That simplifies to 180 minus 5x. And we know that his score was 135. So we just have to solve for x, which in this case is equal to 9.